Title: Gathering, the art of coming together. Meaning: today, let's explore the word gathering. A gathering is an event or occasion where people come together, usually for a specific purpose, whether it's for social, cultural, or even work-related reasons. Use in a sentence. For example, the annual family gathering during the holidays is a time when relatives from near and far unite to celebrate, share stories, and create lasting memories. Pronunciation. Pronouncing gathering is straightforward. ʻɡæðərɪŋ, with a soft G at the beginning and a short A sound. Importance. Gatherings have great significance in our lives. They provide an opportunity for connection, sharing ideas, building relationships, and celebrating milestones. In a world that's becoming increasingly digital, gatherings keep us grounded in the real world. Conclusion. In summary, a gathering is a powerful way to bring people together, fostering a sense of community and shared experiences. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, keep cherishing the magic of gatherings in your life.